Hello and welcome to Shohini's Kitchen. So today I will be sharing the recipe of bundi, sweet bundi or bode as we call it in Bengali. For the ingredients we need 2 cups of gram flour or besan, 2 teaspoons of canola oil or any white oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, little less than 1.5 cups of water, some oil for frying the bundis, food color red and yellow, and this step is optional. To make the sugar syrup we need 1 cup of water, 2 cups of sugar, half tablespoon lime juice, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Let's begin with making the bundi batter. Add 2 cups of gram flour to a mixing bowl. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to the gram flour. Mix the ingredients and then add some water to it. We will add little bit less than 1.5 cups of water. The water will be added gradually, little by little. Mix very well, keeping in mind that the resulting batter should neither be too thick nor too runny. It should be just very smooth. Now look at the consistency of the batter. We will add some oil to it, around 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix all the ingredients together to form a smooth, flowing batter. Now divide the batter into 2 unequal parts. To the smaller portion add red food color, and to the larger portion add some yellow food color. Now adding food color is totally optional. You may replace the yellow food color with turmeric powder. Let's cook the delicious bundis. Turn on the gas and place a wok on it. Now check if the wok is hot and then add some oil to it. The oil should be very hot but not reach the smoking point. We will use the strainer to make the bundis. Hold the strainer at least 2 inches above the oil and pour a spoonful of batter on the strainer while moving it continuously over the oil. Before picking up the cooked bundis from the oil, make sure to wash the strainer and then wipe it clean. Wash it and wipe it clean and then pick up the bundis from the oil. Pour the next batch of batter on the strainer. To make the perfect bundis, you need to move the strainer above the oil continuously. Pour only as much batter on the strainer as is required to fry the bundis in one single layer on the surface of the oil. Now I have fried the bundis for around 30 to 35 seconds. Now look at the bundis. They are round, beautifully puffed up, just perfect. Now fry the rest of the batter into beautiful bundis in small batches. Look at the bundis. They look like pearls, beautiful, round, and so nicely puffed up. And this is because of the baking soda that we are using in the bundi batter. Baking soda helps in puffing up the bundis very well. Now we are making the red bundis. Now Now just look at the batter falling through the strainer into the oil. You can also see the distance between the oil and the strainer. The strainer should not be too high above the oil. Its handle should touch the sides of the wok. The batter should fall into the oil from a height of not more than 1 to 2 inches. Look at the perfect bundis. Now let's make the bundis one more time. Look at the bundi or bode. They are perfectly done and all set to go into the sugar syrup. Since we are making sweet bundi or bode, we have to soak them for some time into the sugar syrup to make them sweet. Let's make the sugar syrup. Turn on the gas and place a wok on it. Now add 2 cups of sugar to the wok, 1 cup of water, mix both the ingredients and bring them to a boil. Now when the syrup starts simmering, add half tablespoon lime juice. Now adding lime juice prevents the sugar from crystallizing when the sugar syrup is cold. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now blend all the ingredients together and bring the mixture to a boil. When the color of the mixture becomes transparent, you know that the sugar has dissolved completely into the water. Add the bode to the syrup. You can check if the syrup is done or not by taking little bit of the syrup in between your forefinger and thumb and see if a string forms when you stretch your fingers apart. Now we have set the heat on high and we will boil the bundis or the bode in the sugar syrup for at least 1 minute. The bode or the bundi has been boiling in the sugar syrup for at least 1 minute. And now it's time that we turn off the gas and cover the wok and let it rest for at least 2 hours. I let it rest overnight and the next morning the bode were perfectly done, just like we see in the sweet shops. Beautifully sweetened and ready to be served. So বোঁদে is ready. একদম মিষ্টির দোকানের মতো সুস্বাদু বোঁদে। Like, share and comment if you like the recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.